The advanced sale provides added flexibility and control for managing orders with several fulfillments, invoices, or credit notes. We recommend reviewing the simple sale process first. Considering sales from e-commerce, POS, and B2B integrations appear as simple sales by default. Let's start by navigating to your sales list and select a recent sale order. Note that this sale came in as backordered. We'll use an advanced sale to ship and invoice what we have on hand, then send the rest of the items when they're back in stock. Let's click the Convert button in the top right corner to convert this order to an advanced sale order. Note that this conversion cannot be reversed. With advanced sale orders, we no longer have our sales stages and fulfillment options across the middle of the screen. Instead, they're shown on the left sidebar where multiple fulfillments and invoices can be added to the order. Most sales order actions such as save, undo, void, and clone are accessed by clicking the sales order number in the top left corner of the screen. Other sales actions such as print and email are shown in the top right corner of the relevant sections. We can also expand and collapse the sales order header by clicking the arrow in the top right corner. Let's start by creating the first of multiple fulfillments for this order. First, navigate to the left-hand side to start picking by selecting Add Fulfillment. Here you can select Pick Remaining to add all products from the sale order. Or for our backorder scenario, select Pick Available to automatically add only the products available at our warehouse. If you've created the invoice first, you can use this option to auto-populate the pick with items from the authorized invoice. Click Authorize, then navigate to the pack icon. Here, you can choose to copy directly from the pick stage. Then, complete this process in the same way as a simple sale. Next, click the Ship icon to review and edit shipping details pulled from the document header. Then, complete the shipping stage as normal. Note that advanced sales can also be fulfilled through the Warehouse Management System app. Now let's look at manually invoicing the products we just shipped. Start by selecting the draft invoice generated by the sales channel. We'll update the invoice to reflect only the partial fulfillment. This can be done by selecting the completed fulfillment to automatically add the shipped products to the invoice lines. We'll wait to add the shipping charges after the second fulfillment. Click Authorize to complete the invoice. Within the sidebar, the fulfillment section automatically calculates and displays the remaining products to be fulfilled, and the invoice section shows the remaining amount to be invoiced. Let's assume we have now received the items needed to complete the backorder. We can select the plus fulfillment button to create a second fulfillment. This time, we'll select Pick Remaining to add the remaining products of the sale order, and complete the pick, pack, and ship stages. Now let's add a final invoice for the remaining goods fulfilled. We can use the Invoice Remaining with Charges option to automatically add the invoice's outstanding balance and the shipping charge. Then proceed to Authorize. We've now fulfilled the sale order and invoiced all shipped products. If payments have been received, apply them by opening the invoice, scrolling to the bottom, and clicking Add Payment. Remember, Cin7 Core automatically logs payments from integrated payment processors, as well as two-way sync for payments applied within accounting integrations. Now let's apply the payment to the second invoice and click Save to complete the sale order. The Advanced Sale module also provides tools to manage your sale orders, including manually processing credits, returns, and refunds for specific invoices. We'll explore credit notes in another video. Next, the Attachments section automatically stores documents generated by Cin7 Core, such as invoices, shipping labels, and more, for easy reference. The Activity Log is used to review a history of changes to the order. The Workflow Activity Log stores your history of notifications and emails sent on this sale order. You'll also be able to add manual journals to the sale and see all financial transactions generated by Cin7 Core that are posted into your accounting integration. Any additional attributes applied to the customer can be found here. Related Orders links any orders automatically initiated by the sale, including dropship purchase orders, assembly tasks, and backordered tasks like purchase orders and production orders. That wraps up this video on advanced sale orders.